Hello and welcome to the Medical Entrepreneur IV Chelation Training. I'm Adam Sewell, MD, and I'll be guiding you through this series of short videos designed to give you both the clinical foundation and the business insights needed to incorporate IV Chelation Therapy into your practice. Thank you for joining me. Before we dive in, let's start with a disclaimer. The content in this training program is for educational purposes only. It does not replace individualized professional judgment, local regulations, or official clinical guidelines. Always follow the laws, regulations, and protocols that apply to your specific region or institution. With that said, let's talk about what you can expect from the upcoming videos. Our primary goals in this series are to 1. Understand the clinical foundations of IV chelation therapy, including the science behind chelation, indications for different types of heavy metal toxicity, evidence-based protocols for safe administration. 2. Explore the entrepreneurial side, meaning how you can set up an IV chelation service in your clinic or practice, navigate legal and regulatory guidelines, market and grow this service responsibly and ethically. 3. Optimize patient care by learning how to identify the right candidates for chelation, monitoring patients effectively during and after therapy, managing potential complications and side effects. Each video in this series is short and focused, so you can watch them individually in just a few minutes. We'll also provide guidance on how they can be edited together for a more in-depth viewing experience, should you prefer a longer format. I'm going to give you a quick preview of the key sections we'll be covering. 1. Foundations of IV chelation. We'll define chelation, explore the history behind it, and review common heavy metals that warrant chelation. You'll learn about the major chelating agents like ETA, dimercaprol, DMSA, and more, and how they work. 2. Clinical protocols and patient management. We'll discuss patient selection criteria, dosing regimens, and safe administration techniques. You'll discover how to monitor for adverse effects, respond to complications, and ensure overall patient safety. 3. Entrepreneurial framework and legalities. We'll talk about setting up a chelation service in your practice, including legal and regulatory considerations. Topics like informed consent, proper documentation, and maintaining compliance with local laws will be covered thoroughly. 4. Business and marketing essentials. From creating a viable business plan to handling billing, coding, and insurance, this section offers a roadmap to profitability. We'll cover how to ethically market your IV chelation services, build patient trust, and establish a strong referral network. 5. Case studies and practical pearls. Real-world examples will help you see how these principles apply in practical settings, whether it's pediatric lead encephalopathy, mercury toxicity, or iron overload. You'll also get a look at a business case study for launching a chelation service, highlighting common pitfalls and success tips. 6. Q&A, review, and next steps. Finally, we'll wrap up with frequently asked questions and a summary of all key points. We'll point you toward additional resources, guidelines, and training opportunities so you can continue to learn and grow in this field. This program is ideal for medical doctors, nurse practitioners, and physician assistants looking to expand their scope of services. Clinic owners or healthcare entrepreneurs seeking new patient offerings with a legitimate clinical foundation. Professionals in functional or integrative medicine who frequently encounter patients with heavy metal exposures. Anyone interested in adding an evidence-based wellness or detox option to their practice. Throughout these videos, I'll do my best to balance the scientific rigor needed for proper patient care with practical business insights that can help you serve more patients while also growing your practice. A quick note on the structure: each video ranges from about 3 to 7 minutes, making them easy to fit into a busy schedule. If you prefer a longer session, you can watch them back-to-back in a YouTube playlist or compile them into one extended viewing experience. I encourage you to take notes as you watch and feel free to pause or rewind anytime you need to review a concept. If you have questions or want to interact with others taking this course, consider setting up a discussion thread or community group where you can share insights and experiences. As we move forward, remember, always verify local regulations and guidelines. Consult with a toxicologist or experienced specialist when dealing with complex cases. Keep patient safety, ethical practice, and legal compliance at the core of your chelation services. What's next? Our next video, Video A2, will dive right into the basics of heavy metal toxicity. We'll explore the most common metals, how they impact the body, and how to recognize symptoms early. Thank you for tuning in to this introduction and course overview. I'm excited to have you on board. Remember to check out video A2 for a closer look at heavy metal toxicity, and I'll see you there.